lay ambush here, and the person who went to give that information was one of them. Not known to them that we were dragging them to killing zone.
So they ambush.
So they just ambush here and then open fire what they were calling.
Of the things, we have leaders from this area. We have our brothers and sisters who live around here. This battle has to be collectively fought. People must volunteer information. Because these people, they don't just emerge from heaven. They live around here, they live among us. And to the glory of God, the soldiers and other security officers have been able to manage their temper. You know, this kind of thing is very provocative. I'm very sad and I feel so hurt. It's a terrible situation where officers will come to protect, to work for us, and people will come from nowhere and just ambush them and take their lives. We are not God. We pray to God. God will take care of every situation. As human beings, we also do things to console and do whatever we can to support the families. And while praying for God to give them the fortitude to bear the loss.